Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Notion with Microsoft Teams. First of all, we have to create ourselves an account at notion.com. Once we do that, we can actually proceed to make this integration happen. For integration, we are going to use automate.io. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we are here at automate.io, we want to hover over integrations in the top window or the top corner of the site, and we want to go to the bottom left corner of this pop-up window and see all categories. Once we're here, you can search for more than 200 apps, as they say, and we want to write down Notion in here. We click on Notion, and now the second app, which is Microsoft Teams. As you can see, Automate will already provide for us some popular integrations that you can just try now. But not always you will find the ones that you need. So you can scroll down and create your own integration. For triggers, you have to choose from all of those, but remember, on the left side, underneath the triggers, there has to be a Notion. So don't go with Microsoft Teams. So let's go with the first one. Let's say you can pick whichever you want. On the right side, underneath the actions, there should be Microsoft Teams. So let's go like this. And we have to click on Try Now. Once we hit the Try Now button, you'll be redirected and you have to log in into your account and basically just finish your integration. The second app that we can use for make this integration is Zapier.com. We also have to create an account here. And once we do that, we are at the dashboard and we want to go to the top left corner, which is Make a Zap. We can name our Zap for future scrolling or future looking for this integration, like Notion to Teams, like this. And it works basically the same way like Automate.io. The first trigger, the first app, is Notion.com. We click yeah. Next database item is a trigger event. Continue. Now we have to choose the account we want to log in. So let's go with this one. We hit continue, and the database. I don't have any database here because I created that Notion account just to see this integration. But if you're working in a Notion, there is a couple of options for you. So we can go straight to second action, which will be Microsoft Teams. We click on Teams. We have to choose an event. So whichever from these three. So let's go with the first one, continue. And the last thing is you would just have to sign in to Microsoft Teams. And that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.